Hi everyone, my name is Kirill Schodnitsky and I make music and remixes. This is my first video in this format where I'm speaking in English and sharing something with you. Today I will show you how to make a remix of any song using Bad Dreams as an example. Let's dive in. Okay, now let's check out a short clip from the remix. I took the original vocals and separated them using a third-party service. There are plenty of options out there, so you can easily find one of the works for you. Then I created these transitions by lowering the pitch in the first part and raising in the second. This trick adds a unique sound to your remix, which listeners might really enjoy. Now you can see the plugins I used and the settings I applied to them. In reality, there is no perfect way to process vocals. It all comes down to what sounds best to your ears, and in many ways. Now I will show you the instruments I used to create the foundation, including the chords and everything else. And now let's move on to the bass and some cool features I added. Okay, now let's talk about the drums. The kick drum is driving the rhythm and I've added a nice drum pattern that builds up and transition into the chorus. I also added this melody to go along with the beat, which makes the track sound even better. Okay, and now let's take a look at the master channel. I simply added a limiter and that was enough to make everything sound harmonious. I also use this preset here. And remember one key rule: make sure the kick drum does not clash with the bass and avoid any conflicts. Try to choose good sounds from the start, instead of forcing something that does not quite fit together. That's all for today. I hope these tips help you create your own remixes. Music is all about experimenting, so find your unique sound. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Set me free.